friends, this is the Cryptonian taking a look at Ethereum. Just giving an update here. We're taking a look at a larger larger view here. Let's actually see what we see on the weekly really quick. See if that would be better. Okay. Yeah, I think that's probably a little bit better. Okay, so here on the weekly, you can see that we have a definite defined structure, and that is a very bullish structure. Actually, you can see that we have ascending lows, okay, and we're actually getting ready to hit that low here in a few weeks. Depends on if Bitcoin stays above 25 or not. But let's assume that Bitcoin stays above 25. If that's the case, we could be very close to a breakout on Ethereum. Um, if Bitcoin puts in a strong move to the upside in October, and I know I just made a video, that may not be the case. October may not be as strong as we're expecting. But if it does, or maybe even if it's just slightly bullish, then Ethereum should break out here. That being said, this is going to be, whether we're slowly getting into uh, the next bull run or the next phase in Q4, or whether it's next year. If Ethereum holds this line, then over the next couple months, then this is going to be very bullish, and it's going to be a great place to enter. Great place to enter. So, taking a look at some other indicators here, we're just going to keep it simple today, and taking a look at RSI. RSI is 41. Now that's not overly weak. Approaching this support line with an RSI of 41, that's not too bad. That's not too bad at all. But look at this. The stochastic RSI here is getting ready to cross over here. And so it looks like, if you move this up here like that, it looks like we're actually, yeah, we're very close to crossing over, or maybe have already started to cross over. So this will show momentum to the upside. When it crosses over, that starts another cycle to the upside, right? Now, of course, the if Q4 is weak and we have to go into wait we have to wait until 2024, Q1 of 2024, then this could be a slow grind here, and we could see a little bit longer consolidation here and then moving up, kind of like here, right? We came down, touched it, went up a little bit, came back down, retested it, and then went up, right? That was over a period of, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 weeks, 2 months right here. So we could see something similar, or similar to that. We could come down, maybe go up a little bit, make another test, and then up like that. But regardless of whatever pattern it puts in, we're approaching a very nice ascending uh, trend line here. And our stochastics here on the weekly now is very low and getting ready to cross over. The stochastics RSI is ridiculously low. I mean, it's 1.79. So yeah, it's a great opportunity, great entry. So those of you who are looking for a reliable, safe, consistent project Ethereum, in my opinion, looks great. Okay, now again, we may not have that explosive Q4. We may have to wait till Q1, you know, between 3 and 6 months for some type of a, strong momentum move to the upside, or before this starts to lift off here. We could, put in some consolidation here and then start moving up. That's fine. But as soon as we do push higher, let's say we put in a long consolidation area, our resistance line is 42%, 43% from that entry point, from the lower, from that ascending support line. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. And if we take a look at the larger structure here, we could even break out. If we break out, let's say we put in this low, we break out, we could even go up as far as probably 70 to 80% if we have a breakout. If we go into Q1 and momentum starts picking up, the ETFs are approved, it's a presidential election year, things start to turn around, we could definitely see a pump of 70 to 80% up to this next level, which is right here. You can see this level coming in right above that breakout. So Ethereum, in my opinion, is interesting. Again, this is more of a long-term play. We're on the weekly chart. Okay. So, and I'm keeping it really basic here so we can see the structure of the chart more clearly. Not only that, we have a pattern here, which is this wedge. Okay, we have the support line here. We have a trend line here. This is a bullish descending wedge. This is bullish. They usually break to the upside as soon as they get to support. Okay, unless they're really weak and something happens and it does something like this, then you're looking at 1300. But that's only if Bitcoin breaks at 25K, I think. Okay, that's my story. I'm sticking to it. Thank you for watching, friends. Please hit the like button. It's free, helps the channel, and you help yourself when you hit that button because you're sharing this information with others, inviting them into crypto, and growing the space. And if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe as well. That's also free, always free, and we'd love to have you in the community. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time.